Let's do tasks. There are 59 tasks available, and if we were to do all, we'll get paid 320 cents. So to get started, you just click view and read whatever they've asked you to do. It said go to link, visit 2 posts, 1 ad. You click start, and what they're asking you to submit is a screenshot of your browsing history. Look at the time it will take for you to do the task. I'd suggest that you wait for the time to be over before you start. So the time has elapsed. We'll start now. You click. You can click any of these. 1. Let it load fully. You close it. You open the second one. You close it. And they asked us to click an ad, so we look for an ad. This is an ad. Then take screenshot of our browsing history showing your date and time. Go back to time box tab here and you paste the screenshot and submit.